Dictation number 33. Ready? Start. I wish you to write to me as to the disposal of those cases of yours which I have had lying in these offices for a year now. You have had successive notices asking you to remove them, but to no purpose. The cases themselves are ugly and they can scarcely be said to be sweet smelling. Besides this, the space in these offices is too small for my business, and I have no room to spare for these packages. This is an unnecessary annoyance, and I insist on your taking the cases away by the 10th of July at the outside. Stop.